Hi everybody, this is Greg with AgeVerify, and in this video I'm going to walk you through adding in our AgeVerify script into a BigCommerce website. So to begin with here, I have two tabs open in my browser. The first, of course, is our BigCommerce Store Manager dashboard, and the second tab I have available is AgeVerify. And we'll need to access this tab later in the video to get our AgeVerify script that we'll be pasting into our BigCommerce website. So from the BigCommerce Store Manager tab here, what we want to do is scroll down here on the left-hand side until we find the Storefront option, and we'll click on that. And that opens up a submenu. And from the submenu here, we want to scroll down until we get to Script Manager. You can see that right here, and we'll click on that. And this is the section where you can add in additional scripts into your BigCommerce website. In our demo site here, we don't have any scripts added yet. Yours might look a little different. But what we're going to do is on the right here, you should have a button that says Create a Script. So we will click on that. And now we need to get the items to add in our AgeVerify script. So we're going to go over to our AgeVerify tab. And we're at the AgeVerify website. And from here, to get a copy of the version we're going to install, we'll click on the Get Started link at the top. And from here, we've got a variety of templates you can choose from. Review them. We also do custom versions as well, and you can click on Customize to review that. But for this demo, we're going to go ahead and just select the translucent template. That is our most popular template. And you can click on here to review a demo if you'd like as well. And we have a few different options available. We have a free version. This is ad supported right here. We have a pro version. It's very similar to free. The difference is that the ads are removed. And then we have a customized version over here where you can actually add in your company branding, logos, custom colors, etc. But for this tutorial, we're going to just install the basic version. So I'll scroll down here and I'll click on the Click for Instructions button. And that's going to bring up the AgeVerify code generator and installation instructions. So we've got translucent selected for our template background, but if we wanted to change it from here, we could. We could select a different one and it'll automatically update here on the right, but we'll keep it at translucent. And then we want to select our website platform, which of course is BigCommerce. And then we want to select our method format. So age button prompt. If you simply are going to prompt your users with an age button, you can do that. If you want to actually make them enter in their date of birth, you can choose the DOB input. You can have them do month, day, year, or day, month, year for users outside of the United States. For this video, we will do age button prompt. And then we've got some additional optional custom settings down here. If you'd like to change what the prompt text says or what the button text says, or some additional custom items, you can change that as well in here, but we'll leave the defaults in place. And if we scroll down a little further here, we've got part 2 of 2, installation instructions. And the very first thing here is this line of red code. We want to highlight that and simply right-click it and choose to copy, or you can highlight it and hit Control-C on Windows or Command-C on a Mac to copy that to your clipboard. And once you have that copied, you're going to click back onto the BigCommerce tab up top. And now we're ready to add that into our BigCommerce script creation. So name of script, we're going to title it AgeVerify. Description, you can title it anything, but let's call it Age Verification. Location on page, either one will work. I would recommend leaving it at footer, that is best practice. Select pages where script will be added. I would choose all pages. And the reason why you want to select all pages is it's going to add the AgeVerify script into all pages, of course, but it's still only going to prompt your user one time per session. And the reason why it's nice to have it on all pages is that your users' first visit to your website may not necessarily be on your home page. It might be your contact page or your storefront page or something different. So we'll select all pages. If we scroll down here, we've got two script types, URL or script. We're going to change it from URL to script, which then opens up this additional dialog box here titled Script Contents. And this is where we're going to paste our script that we just copied from the AgeVerify tab. So we just simply paste this in. And once that's in place, it's a long string of text here you can see. We have two options down here in the bottom right hand corner. We have cancel and save. We're going to, of course, choose save. And that's it. Script has been created. So now it shows here in our installed scripts. AgeVerify, it's located on all pages. The script location is in the footer of the website. And here's the date we created it. And if you want to view this now, you can view your store with this new script add. You can just click on the View Store linked here. It'll open up your website. And here we are. We've got our demo website. We've got our AgeVerify script added on it. It's a translucent background, and we're using the button prompt method. Thanks for watching this video. Email us if you have any questions.